In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can 1. Check for the presence of any duplicate items in your list in Microsoft Excel, and then 2. Return the list of duplicated items in your data if there are any. So first, we want to check for the presence or count of duplicated items in our data. Here we have a product number and an associated product with each product number. And you want to make sure that the product number isn't being used twice. So to check for that, we can 1. Use the count A to say, hey, how many product numbers do we have? So count A, and then count A would just basically return the count of any non-blank cells. So we do count A, we highlight our product numbers in our data. See, there are 172 product numbers. But now we want to see, well, how many unique product numbers are there? And to do that, we're going to count A with a unique function. To show you what I mean by that, we are first going to use unique function. Now, the unique function will basically just return the unique items in the list. And the first argument is the array, so what do you want to see the unique of? Next, your arguments by column, which is useful if your data is kind of transposed or is like long ways at the column level. And exactly once, as you can see, true returns items exactly once, false returns every distinct item. Next, your arguments are optional, so we're only going to use this first one right here. And we do highlight the unique and the unique close parentheses. Now here is the unique items in our list, and we want to find a count of these unique items. So to do this, we're going to count A unique. You can see there are 145 unique items in our list. Now, because there are 172 items and 145 unique items on the list, that means that there are 27 duplicates, which we would now want to see, okay, well, now that we know there are duplicated product numbers, what product numbers are being duplicated? So to do that, we're going to have a helper column right here and call it product number occurrence. Basically here, we just want to say, hey, how many times does this product number appear in our data set, right? So to do count if, and the range is going to be our data, our product numbers right here. The criteria is just going to be whatever row we're in. And you can see that right off the bat, these are 8 occurs twice for the television and for this symbol. So we want to lock down the range so that we, as we copy paste it down, it doesn't move. And there is locked down. And now we want to copy paste this down all the way for our entire data set. As you can see, 78, 138. Now these are product numbers that occur more than once in our data set. Well, now I want to go through and filter through, hey, where does our product number occur more than once? So to do this, we're going to use the filter function. And the filter function works as a filter in Excel, but in function form. So basically, it will return a list of data with a given criteria. And in this instance, we want to see, hey, where product numbers occurs where the occurs more than 2, right? Which product numbers occurs more than once in our data set. So to do that, we can do filter. We want to grab this array. So what array we want to filter? We want to filter this array right here. We want to include wherever this is greater than 1. Parentheses. As you can see, now, because of that, as you can see, it filters the 52 items where the product number is more than once. Now, one thing to note too is that the reason why this is 52, the difference is only 27, is because these product numbers are appearing twice instead of them even 3 times. So, for example, 373 is showing up twice in this data set right here. We use search values, not formulas, but as you can see, 373 is occurring in both the computer and the teacup, so it's showing up twice. But this is helpful because you can see, hey, which product numbers are showing up twice in our data set, and then you can do something about it to make it more unique. So That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.